Amazing facts you might not know about United States of America. Fact number 1. The US is a country of 50 states covering a vast swath of North America, with Alaska in the northwest and Hawaii extending the nation's presence into the Pacific Ocean. Major Atlantic coast cities are New York, global finance and culture center, and capital Washington DC. Midwestern metropolis Chicago is known for influential architecture, and on the west coast, Los Angeles Hollywood is made famed for filmmaking. Fact number 2. US is the land of free, consists of 50 states. Over 327 million people reside in America, making it the third most populous country in the world. The US is also the fourth largest country in the world by total area. Fact number 3. US has the fourth largest river system in the world. The Missouri River is the longest in North America. The river derives from Montana, located at the base of Rocky Mountains, and flows for approximately 2,344 miles before it empties into the Mississippi River, just north of the St. Louis, Missouri. The Missouri River and the Mississippi River combine the fourth longest river system in the world. For thousands of years, many people depended on the Missouri River, from drinking water to transportation, irrigation, flood control, and for every generation of the hydroelectric power, as this long body of water has played an important role. Fact number 4. The United States has the largest economy in the world since 1877. The economy is so far large that the US is often noted as an economic superpower, and this is due to the fact that it makes almost a quarter of the global economy. The US economy is connected to the country's enormous population, technological innovation, high consumer spending, high average income, as well as moderate unemployment rate. Fact number 5. America has a huge impact on global culture, and a portion of stems from entertainment. Many romance films and action films are produced and enjoyed in the US. Hollywood is globally well known as the center of entertainment, and some would consider that it is one of the most famous places on earth. Hollywood attracts tourists from all over the world, with landmarks such as Brass Star, Embedded Walk of Fame, and the TCL Chinese Theater. Fact number 6. Las Vegas, Nevada is the 28th most populated city in the United States, and is most populous city in Nevada. This famous city is renowned for its nightlife, entertainment, gambling, shopping, and fine dining. Las Vegas has the largest strip of casinos, which has earned the city the title of gambling capital of the world. This city is also famous for its mega casinos hotel, which has also earned Las Vegas the title of entertainment capital of the world. Further, Las Vegas is one of the most visited tourist destinations, as well as of the top destinations for business convention in United States. Fact number 7. Iconic food in America. Like other countries, America is famous for few dishes. To begin, the iconic Twinkles were invented in Illinois in 1930 by a baker named James Alexander Devar. Legend has it named James. Legend has it by a billboard that was an advertising for Twinkle 2 shoes. The inventor of corn dogs is uncertain, but it was definitely invented by someone in America in the later 1930s. This popular state fair foods has made its way into many freezers across North America and beyond. A few other iconic American food includes cheeseburgers, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, s'more, barbecue ribs, and more. Fact number 8. The Statue of Liberty, formerly known as the Liberty Enlightening the World, was a gift from France. This gift was sent to celebrate 100 years of Franco-American friendship. The statue was sculpted by Frederic Auguste de Bartholdi, while framework was designed by a French engineer, Gustave Eiffel Tower. Fact number 9. There is no official language in United States. Mostly spoken language is English, but still it's not the official language, however. Fact number 10. 1 in 8 people in the United States. Fact number 10. 1 in 8 people in United States is employed by McDonald's. Fact number 11. Russia sold Alaska to the United States for 2 cents per acre. Number 12. Arizona and Hawaii don't observe daylight savings time. Fact number 13. Cows outnumber humans 3 to 1 in Montana. Number 14. In the US, 40% of babies are born into unmarried women. It wasn't always this way, but for the 8th year in a row, a whopping 40% of all babies were born to unwed mothers. Just to 1940, when just 3.8% of babies had unmarried parents. That number didn't hit 10% until 1916. So that is it for today. Guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.